Cage of dreams with blood and sweat for its reaching. Cage of dreams with blood and sweat for its reaching. The cage of dreams with blood and sweat for its legend. Cage of dreams where blood and sweat forge legends.
In the cage of dreams, where blood and sweat forge legends. No retreat, no surrender. Fight's the only name. In the cage I conquer, where pain fuels the flame. No retreat, no surrender. Fight's the only name. Under glaring lights, the arena roars with might. Every strike, every grapple etched in the heat of the fight. Fists fly like lightning, precision in every blow. Breaking down barriers, let the real power show. Iron wheels clash in a dance of force and bone. Every scar a battle story, every win is self-owned.
In the cage of dreams with blood and sweat forge legends.